Hello guys, it's Zion Bird here with an origami tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make a bird that I made up. This is not like, I'll look at the one that I made. It's not like, it's not like this one. This one is just like straight, and mine has these. Okay. So first what you want to do is you want to make a square piece of paper. And if you people don't know how to do this, just leave the video, because you're really dumb. So once you got a square piece of paper, you want to fold it diagonally. Like that. And take it out. And fold it diagonally the other way. I'm sorry to hear the Men in Black in the background. And my mom's watching that. 3. Okay. That was a little close. Okay, so your chest is like this. And you want to flip the model over and then fold it horizontally. And to people who don't know, horizontally is side to side. Let's take it out. And fold vertically. Okay. Now you have something like this. That, you see that coming in, and this is coming out, and this is coming out. And these are coming out. So now you want to go to that thing where the vertically and horizontal are sticking out. And you just want to take this part, but you want to get to the bottom of the page, take this, and then you want to fold it down. I'm sorry guys, I blew off track. So you want to take this, and you want to take this, you want to take this right here, fold it down there, and this right here, fold it down there. And I will show you what that looks like soon. And I'm about to show you, just drop these things. Okay, now that you do that, it'll look like this. It doesn't, and then you want to fold it down. And if it doesn't look like this, you're wrong. You'll see that, and you'll see this. Okay. Sorry guys. I'm really sick. Now, on the part that has this, you want to take this right here and put it right there. And then you want to do it for the other side. So do like this. And you want to flip the model over and repeat. Okay. So you want to take this point. What you want to take from here. Wait. Yeah, you want to fold it down on this part. It could be either way, as long as it goes down. Okay, now take it up. Now, yeah, let me check. I gotta remember how to do this. Oh yeah. Now take it apart. You'll see you'll have this. You see this flap right here. You want to just have like this. You'll see this creature right here. You want to fold it on there. Get it all fixed up. Okay. And it up. And once you try to do one, it's going to do the other. So you like this, and then turn it over and do the same thing. And if it doesn't go, you just want to tap right there really softly, and then it'll go. And then once you get that, you want to just flatten the whole model up. Okay? With that. So now what you want to do is, you want to make the head and the body. So what you want to do, you want to open it up. So you see this thing right here. Okay? And make it open up to this side. So it'll be like this. Now, you see, now watch carefully. We'll take this edge and put it on this line. And then turn the model over and do it. Okay, so you end up with something like this. Now to like make the head and the thing, you want to just pull this forward. You're gonna like see that it won't go, so you just wanna like put it forward and put it to the point that you want it, and then you wanna fix it up. Okay, this is... Okay, I got it now. Now you end up with something like this. Now close this back. And repeat. You have something like this. And you just want to turn this up. And then you want to turn this up. And you're almost finished. Now, you want to take, this is the part with the big side, and this is the one with the small side. To tell the difference, you'll see two flaps and you'll see one on here. What you want to do is take it here, you're going to pull it down, tuck it in, and then fold it. Okay, and now all you have to do is just fold it down, the wings down, and there you go. There goes your bird. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in my next video.